Hello everyone, how are you all? Friends, in this video today we will learn about our third chakra, solar plexus chakra. This chakra is called Manipur chakra in Hindi. The solar plexus chakra is the chakra above the sacral chakra. The solar plexus chakra is located in 3 inches above our navel. Solar plexus chakra takes energy from the universe to give energy to all the other chakras. If this chakra is not active, then all the other chakras stop getting energy. At this physical level, this chakra is located on the endocrine gland pancreas. Um, Friends, each chakra is located on one of the endocrine gland of our body. The color of the solar plexus chakra is yellow, and the element of this chakra is fire. Some people call this chakra also the Surya chakra. Friends, at the physical level, the solar plexus chakra covers the area above our stomach. This chakra governs uh, this chakra governs our digestive system, our organs that come in it, that is the liver, upper abdomen area organs, spleen, and pancreas. Now we will know how the solar plexus chakra affects our emotional body. This chakra strengthens the willpower within us. Solar plexus chakra develops our self esteem and self confidence in us. Friends, we will we all know that from starting any work in our life to completing it, it needs strong willpower. Willpower is such a quality by which even a physically and financially weak person is able to do the greatest work only on the strength of his will. For example, we know Mahatma Gandhi ji. We learn from their strong willpower. Friends, I want to say that no external absence or external uh, obstruction can stop us as long as our willpower is strong. If our willpower is awakened within us, then we can do every difficult task. Friends, if blockage occurs in the solar plexus chakra for any reason, then we feel low energy from inside and willpower is lacking, confidence is lacking, and uh, the the person does not understand self respect towards himself. He does not give value to his self-esteem, due to which uh, outsiders are not able to respect that person or understand him. In society, such a person has to face many situations like uh, humiliation. This chakra serves to provide us with respect, prestige, and fame in society. It helps us in getting success in every task. Similarly, if there is any obstruction or blockage in this chakra, then physically our digestive system becomes impaired. Diseases related to liver, pancreas, upper part of our abdomen start coming. So, friends, we learned what the solar plexus chakra is, and it affects our emotional body and physical body. If there is any imbalance or obstructions in any way, then so many difficulties arise for us. Friends, to activate this chakra, sit in a clean and peaceful room. Take a deep breath and release slowly. You have to breathe through the lower part of your abdomen and have to hold, then exhale slowly. Close your eyes and see the yellow color in your mind. Focus your attention on the solar plexus chakra, on your upper abdomen. Ram is the mantra of solar plexus chakra. Uh, Chant this mantra. I say it by speaking. Ram. This do at least 11 times. Friends, chakra activation and balancing is very important for our inner work. Now, in the next video, we will know about our fourth chakra, which we call the Hriday chakra or heart chakra. If you like this video of mine, then please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye.